Yo, the Future Technology Machine official is back, ready to see what wild inventions are dropping today. Let's dive into the future of technology. Smash that subscribe button and ring that bell. So you'll be ready for the future. Let's get to it. Not saying it's a conspiracy, but flying saucer drones might just be our ticket to getting up close and personal with aliens. Air travel just leveled up in a big way. A futuristic Heaven H to fly flew on liquid hydrogen, doubling its range and payload, leaving nothing but clear skies behind. The 20,000 pounds Hydrema rail dump truck glides effortlessly on the tracks, packing power in a compact freight. With advanced engine tech, it impresses at every turn. Meet Verdi, the star of the ES1. It's the Chat GPT of the real world. In just 5 hours, this genius mastered lawn mowing like a bro. Can't wait to see what epic skills it unlocks next. Check out these cycling LED turn signal gadgets. Whether it's a vest backpack or saddlebag, they turn you into a bright beacon on the road, keeping you fully visible. Check out the Quintessenza by Udall Design. It's the perfect mix of classy and crazy. 750 kilometers on a charge and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. And you control it all from your smartphone. This tireless robot harvests fruits and veggies, day and night constantly, sharpening its skills to pick only the ripest, top-quality produce. After 3 years of innovation, Tyler just revolutionized mobility with 80% in recharge savings. All it takes, park and pop the kickstand into the right spot. Simple as that. The ISO Dynamic Performance seat is in a league of its own. You'll feel like a superhero while driving in intense off-road conditions, with full control and 0 jolts. Seal your windows like a pro. Not today, rain. Joex killing it in warehouse automation. The robots Digit Reflex and Apollo are literally pushing the future forward. Now meet Sewo, the ultimate smooth ride that will take you upstairs, through tricky spaces and anywhere elevators can't go. Next time you'll be picked up by the U-Miles. Next, the world's first air taxi with fly-free tech. It's ready to roll in the U-Space Sky Safe. Sleek and sustainable. Ready for the next tech revolution. Keep your eyes open, you won't want to miss this marvel. 50 years of progress. Yet nobility for many has lagged behind, until Wandercraft's personal exoskeleton stepped in and rewrote the rules. Pay $2,000 once and water, and your mattress pad does the rest. Perfect temp, sleep tracking and a buzz to wake you up. Prepare for a sleep experience like never before. Say goodbye to wobbles while you're learning how to ride a motorcycle. These training wheels think fast and won't let your ride tip over. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's shout keep the peace, with the Moltok mask muffling your cheers. Or gamer yells by 30 decibels. Yes, I did. Imagine cruising down the highway and charging as you go. Yeah, it's real. Elon Road is the future, no question. Guess in the comments, how much does a plane weigh now? Picture this, the Mototalk. Small but mighty. Can turn 50 of them on one charge in minutes. Flight delays gone. Transform your pool into a swimming workout, or chill zone with the Slipstream swim machine. It's your personal trainer and water filter all in one. One glance at this fountain's magic, and you'll be totally hooked. Skip the jack and those nasty pit dives. This portable lift is a total game changer for car enthusiasts. Introducing the O'Hara Lava, the ultimate altering vehicle for Antarctic explorers, weighing just 9,920 pounds. It measures 26 feet long and is equipped with a robust 500 horsepower engine that can tackle the harshest conditions. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate just school. The Samsung Galaxy Z phone, transforming into a sick 10.2-inch tablet. Smash that like if you think it can take on Apple. Get ready for the ultimate comfort upgrade. This wheelchair gives you the freedom to switch between vertical and horizontal positions, lifting you up to 34 inches to keep you dry and comfy, even in puddles. Meet the Spray Beetle, your new garden hero. It gets the job done 11 times faster than a regular sprayer, with each leg doing some of the work. Say hello to the My View glasses by Mazu. The lightest AR glasses at just 2.5 ounces. Enjoy stunning visuals with micro LED screens and diffraction tech, plus short-sighted lenses and 4 hours of battery life. Feast your eyes on this incredible LED tech. Crystal clear screens that bring interactive, holographic displays to life in a mesmerizing way. Coming all tea lovers, this table keeps your tea vibes strong, always prepped and ready for that perfect brew. Super Godzilla is a 33,000 pounds giant, built on a Hitachi wheel motor, rocking hydraulic shears that slice through concrete and metal, like a hot knife through butter. Voice Biz by translates 11 languages in real time. With a cool twist at stand out. Feature a transparent display that shows text bubbles during the conversation, so you can keep eye contact. Get ready for endless concerts with high-tech musicians, because the Xiaomi humanoid robot has mastered the drums. The Flip Cat is designed with a serious athlete in mind, but its winning advantage, you can take it anywhere. It fits right in your truck. This house is pure fantasy. The ultimate space-saving marvel you never knew you needed. Sick of scraping ice off your windshield or the winter? A little engineering and a kitchen lighter, and you're all set. Nadia, the humanoid robot, is throwing punches in boxing training, all remotely controlled with a cool VR motion capture setup. Golf doesn't stop, thankfully, this little buddies. Your lightning-fast ball-fetching sidekick. Ready to take a dip in paradise. Welcome to the Yona Beach Club. A chill floating getaway with everything. Your soul graves right in the middle of the sea. Imagine wearing a white outfit. That brightens gloomy days, then transforms into a dazzling array of colors. When UV rays hit its cutting-edge fabric, turn your coffee into an art piece. With the latest edible links, yummy. The Smart Sky vest senses when you're about to fall and inflates instantly, shielding your chest and spine, head, and even your tailbone. Reliable protection every time. This futuristic ride has your back when it's time to hold a boat smooth and easy. 1,056-gallon water capacity, fully autonomous wide spray coverage, advanced mapping, and slick handling. The Arbus 4000 Jeb is the king of garden maintenance. Let tech take the wheel for the toughest cleaning jobs, keeping workers out of danger. If you're snorkeling or free diving, the Hexa-Ray Swim Best is your ultimate neoprene partner. With 3 air cushions and a lightning fast Coda cartridge, yield the floating in seconds, no sweat or danger. Imagine skiing without the hassle of climbing slopes. Just let the SkyZ give you a push. This buddy is the future of skiing. 150 bamboo sticks combined with other biodegradable materials for just 40 euros, like a toy tossed in the wind mine. Kaphong saves lives from landmines. This is where the fun starts. The electric bobsleigh lets you feel the speed like never before. It's super nimble and offers awesome drifts, flying through the snow at up to 22 miles per hour. In China, and AI robots now refueling cars. And it's way more careful than some folks, props to that. The M1150 ABVV is a mine-clearing beast, with an M1 Abrams tank DNA, giving the Marine Air Grounds Task Force serious breaching power on the go. Get ready for the future of the Aero. Next flying gondola is about to welcome you on board. Buckle up for the Velo Hyperfoil. This electric hydrofoil FLIs above the water at 40 miles per hour, offering an epic silent ride with 0 emissions and no wake. Forget everything you know about snow sports. The Snow Electric Bike is next level. Fly through the snow at 45 miles per hour, cruising 30 miles on a single charge. Pure power, pure fun. Start your adventure easier with drop tracks. Lift up to 165 pounds of your equipment and hold everything steady at 650 pounds total fire. Rocket Lab's 180,000-pound automated fiber placement machine is here to make history. It builds massive carbon composite rocket parts, up to 98 feet long, laying down fiber at 328 feet per minute. That's over 150,000 hours saved in production. When you're locking down your parking spot, don't sleep on it. Get a garage up to protecting your wheels. Good Bites is like having your own robot army in the kitchen. These modular machines can crank out 150 meals per hour and up to 3,000 per day. They handle everything while cutting labor costs by 80%. Imagine not having to stand in line. Sounds unreal, right? Relax, read a book, or chat while the Pro Pilot chair holds your place. Simple and stress-free. Meet the Mercedes-Benz Vision After. A groundbreaking ride powered by plant-based materials. With no traditional doors, it opens from the sides. It even reads your mood and adapts to you. And those wheels, they move sideways for next-level maneuverability. Welcome to the future. Meet Maximum, the AI-powered robot that's transforming renewable energy. It installs solar panels twice as fast and cuts costs in half.